Hello, hello. I want to ask you, who likes taking YML code and translating that into other code, into other languages? I don't. So today I get to show you one of my favorite commands in Lono. It's a Lono code convert. To show you that, I just showed the docs right here. So there's a code convert command right here. And it says Lono features basically this DSL. Okay, and so I encourage you to write it in the DSL most of the time. But the issue is most templates out there in the wild are YML or JSON. Okay. So since Lono is using a DSL, that means we have to manually convert YML to this code. And who likes doing that? Not a lot of people, including myself. So what happened was I did that for a little bit of time. And I got tired of it, so I wrote a compiler. So this command essentially compiles YML code or JSON code down to Ruby code, the Lono DSL Ruby code. And I'll give you a demo of this thing, okay? Yeah, actually, I should review this doc first. Okay, so here's Lono code convert. There's some reference documentation there. And here is an example snippet of a template. There's two resources here. There's an instance, and a security group. And what you just do is you write Lono code convert, you provide with path to the template, and then you could, in this example, it's redirecting the output to another file, and then it's going to produce this code right here. Okay, so let's run through this example. Let's go ahead and grab this sample. Okay, and let's in our Lono project just create, I guess, template.yml. Okay, so here is our template. And we're not going to do any work at all to convert it. Instead, we're just going to go cd into the infra Lono code convert template.yml. Okay, so when we run that, what it does is it translates it to Ruby right there. Check it out. That's one way of doing it to standard out. But I'm also going to do another way to the way the documentation has it. I'm going to redirect it to a .rb file. And you can see the info messages kind of get written here, but then it says translated below. Where is it? Because it got redirected. I just want to show you that way also because these info messages are actually written to standard error. So you can actually redirect the file and have the Ruby code here like that. Okay? And then when you're writing this, or when you run the command, it also says the generated Ruby code is valid syntax. So once in a while, it might produce invalid syntax. Then you have to go clean it up. The compiler is not perfect. But I've been testing on a couple hundred templates, and it's working pretty good so far. Feel free to report bugs, and then I'll fix it. But yeah, you basically it has taken a very boring task like translating this into the Lono DSL here and automate it for you. All right. So hopefully you found that pretty cool. I think it's a pretty cool command. It was pretty neat to write. The documentation for is it right here, and I think that pretty much covers it. So anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. If you like videos like this, be sure to give it a thumbs up. It will encourage me to create more content like this. If you like this Lono project, go to GitHub and give it a star. I really, really would appreciate it. Okay, have a good one. Cheers.